Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Decentraland Mana. What's the price change goes in Decentraland, what's the price prediction of Decentraland, and what's the next target of Mana coin. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. If you listen to my voice, so please don't ignore my voice, kindly subscribe for more updates friends. First of all, we look the price prediction of the Decentraland Mana. What's the price change goes and Decentraland in the last 1 hour. After that we look the last 1 day, and after that we decide that what's the next target of Decentraland Mana friends. The change occurred in Decentraland Mana in the last 1 hour is about negative 0.24%, and the high price of Mana is about 1.26 USD dollar is the high price of Mana in the last 1 hour. That is the current live price prediction of the last 1 hour friends. The change occurred in the Mana in the last at this time the currently price of the Mana is 1.26 USD dollar. That's mean that they move upward. That is the high price and that is the current price. That's mean that the Mana at this time is in the jumping mode friends. Now let's see the live price prediction of the last 1 day. What's the price since goose and a Mana in the last 1 day friends. Oh my god, the change is a negative 2.4%, and the high price of Mana is about 1.59 USD dollar is the last 1 day price prediction friends, and the current price at this time is a 1.26 USD dollar as I show you in the start of this video friends. Now friends, let's check it out the graph of the Mana coin. What's the price change goes in a Mana. So friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel. As you can see here, that is the borderline of the Mana, and these two lines they Mana travel continue. So friends, as you can see here, the same process, this type process, the same pattern obey. Mana, as you can see, falls down, and after falls take a jump, falls down, after falls take a jump, falls down. Same process occur in a Mana. So if you see at the last point of the Mana, so at the last point they falls down, so after a falls there must be a jump. That's mean that the future, that the coming soon there is a jump. Sorry, jump occurs in the Mana coin, and Mana coin is absolutely a good coin. They are moving upward very fastly, but unfortunately in the last day their falling starts now friends. But don't worry about the Mana coin at this time. Now the coming soon days, after 2 hours they start jumping, pumping again. So be ready for a next jump friends. Mana holders, if you are a holder of Mana coin, so please hold your Mana with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Mana coin are coming soon friends. What's your opinion about Mana? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Also like video. Thank you so much for watching this video.